Hey guys, so I have been at a job in Stevens Point. It was done by Blanker Construction. I am doing the floors here. There were a bunch of repairs and other stuff like that that I had to do. And you're gonna see how well they blended in. Even though the maple was about 10 to 15 years old, the new maple that I did for the repairs just blended in seamlessly. Some of that has to do with that we did add stain, which was talked about. And I'm going to show you what it looks like before we put the final coat on. And hopefully I'll be able to come back and show you what it looks like once it's all done and maybe furnish, post some pictures and stuff like that. So we did repairs in there, over there, down there. You can see how just fantastic this kitchen looks. That's just one coat of finish on here, so we still have another one to go. It goes down the hallway here. We had to do repair throughout there. We actually stained the some of the railing and stuff like that, so it kind of matched the floor. And then there's actually repair all the way through there, repair through here, added hardwood throughout. You can just see how well this color goes. And this was like a 10-year-old floor. And so this looks just fantastic, the way that it all kind of blended in just throughout. So you can see just how great this kitchen remodel turned out. It's in Stevens Point, Wisconsin. The remodel was done by Blanker Construction. They do out of Amherst, Wisconsin. They do a fantastic job. I've worked with them before. A lot of attention to detail behind me, and you can just see we did a custom color floor. But that's what it looks like before the final coat is on. So if you can only imagine what it'll look like after. So take care.